Hey guys, Shanti. So I'm in Walmart. Believe it or not, that's what I always do when I can't find them. I'll call with bells on out loud in the store. Cause I hate like looking for them. Shanti, I'm gonna be ready soon. Yes. I'm trying to pick up a couple of things. Could you relax? All right. So I got a couple of things, guys. Are you yelling in the store? Brooke, don't tease him. Don't tease him. So Shanti, I'm ready. Yeah, we can come back another time. No, yeah, we're ready. See, this is why, why I didn't come out earlier, because, I'm bringing my grandbabies with me and they showing out. I don't got time for it. I'm not in the mood for this today. I didn't even get my tree yet or nothing. I'm supposed to be just picking up a couple of things, but I want to get Nana and Granddad something, but I don't know what's a good thing. Get this, Fully. Magic bullet.
I just got one.
When?
Right here. This is 14, not 13.
Where?
This.
For who?
For me. For the house.
Give me this one.
You don't want this one?
This is not for the house. Thank you. Come on. So, I'm actually trying to see what Walmart has in here as far as for gifts. And picked up a couple of things, but I think I'm about to get my tree right now so I can get ready to get out of here. Come on, Lisa. Let me get me a tree. Come on, Brooke. And you guys are probably like, why are you buying another tree? Because I don't know what in the hell happened to mine. Wesley. Where's the 6 feet? I don't see that. Oh, I might have to take the display. Oh, it's on there. Where's it? There's no more.